Hey friends, welcome to the channel Aquant Skills. Today I will let you know about how to make a PPT on your mobile in less than 5 minutes. My dear friends, you might be using your laptop, your personal computer, but have you ever thought that you can make the PPT on your smartphones in less than 5 minutes? So today I will let you know about how to make a PPT in less than 5 minutes. Okay, dear friends, what you have to do? So initially what you have to do, you have to download the Microsoft PowerPoint from the Play Store. Okay, thereafter you have to open this Microsoft PowerPoint, and the next thing is that you have to clearly log in into your account. So okay friends, after logging into your Microsoft PowerPoint account, what you can do now, you can simply press the new button and you will be providing lots of design and the templates over here. You can choose any one of them. Suppose I have chosen this particular design. What I have to do now, I have to make a double click. Now you can write the title. You can write the title like how to make PPT in mobile, right? So you can see that the typing speed are also good, and you can also make a double click over here to mark a subtitle. So I should write it over Aquant Skill. It is the name of my channel, Aquant Skills. Okay, my dear friends, so my first slide is ready. How to make PPT in mobile. What I should do now, I should press again this button and I have inserted new slide. If you want to change the layout of this slide, you can choose any one of them. Okay, so lots of options are there for you. So I have chosen this one slide, like I'm making a title of this slide, open PowerPoint, right? And log in it with your email ID, right friends? Dear friends, if you feel that you want to dear friends, as you know that you are in a habit of typing on your large screens and with large keypads. So here you have the liberty to something make it really very fast as far as the typing is concerned. Okay, what I am doing over here, I'm making a double click and I'm making the PPT with the help of voice command. It's ready now. Whatever you want to write, you can write over here, and our PPT is now ready. So dear friends, I showed you that if you're using the voice command, then your PPT can become faster. Okay, now my second slide is also ready. What should I do now? I should insert the third one slide. Now I can take the blank slide. Dear friends, if you want to make a good and impressive PPT, you have to use a picture as well. So what can you do? So dear friends, what you can do over here, you can also insert some pictures, like you can insert this picture. If you want to crop it, that is also available. So you can crop the pictures in a very easily manner, and you can select this, like this is the picture which I have inserted over here. So if you want to change the reflection, you can do that. It is also available. So if you want to make a shadow, this is also available. And if you want to make different kind of styles, so they are also available. And if you want to change if you want to arrange the pictures like front, backward, everything is available over here. And if you click this menu and this menu, so you can insert pictures, shapes, you can draw, you can design, and the transition is also there, slideshow is also there. So my dear friends, with the help of mobile, you can make a good PPT. You can type very fastly, you can insert the pictures, and you can edit them. So my dear friends, this was all about this video. So please like my video, kindly share my videos, and please subscribe my channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon button so that you can receive my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.